I'm right here at the Beverly in Totak area, and this is your own private swimming pool. This is a double-story penthouse, 4-bedroom, and we're on the upper level now. And this is what you get on the roof terrace, completely open and spacious, and such a beautiful swimming pool here. This is an area whereby you can have your alfresco dining and invite your friends over for party and gathering. Private and exclusive area here. Really beautiful. If you like the outdoor, the open areas, and you like to invite friends over, this is definitely a beautiful unit that you should come and take a look. Double-story penthouse, and definitely this pool, something that I wish I can just jump in right now. It's just amazing. And that's all. Let's head downstairs. Let's go. So this is a private lift, direct access to your unit. It's a 4-bedroom penthouse, double-story. And take a look at the whole living and dining area. It's a landscape layout. It's wide, it's airy, it's open, it's bright, and a nice open balcony space. If you like alfresco, if you like outdoors, this is definitely something that you will like. 2 ceiling fans are all done up here, and this is a very nice pool views we have here. It's quiet and peaceful, very relaxing area. And I'm just amazed with the whole balcony space. If you like the balcony outdoor space here, check out the kitchen area. And the kitchen area here, you have a fully done up with a cooker hood oven all from Bosch. L-shaped kitchen, airy cabinets all ready, and here is a nice washing area here, and you have a storeroom on this side here as well for the storage needs. The bedrooms. So this one is the access to where we saw just now, the swimming pool, and now we move on. The master bedroom, the attached bathroom, bathtub, cabinet space as well here, and a good size master room, king size bed, no problem as well. Ceiling fans are all done up here. And we move on to the other 3 rooms. Here you have a common bathroom for the guests, and these are your 2 common rooms here. 2 common rooms. It's good size, can still fit a queen size bed over this side. All the wardrobe are done up. This is the other common bedroom, mirror image, similar ceiling fan as well. And here you have the 4th bedroom, which is an ensuite. So there's an attached bathroom here as well. It's all ready for use. Ceiling fans also done up. And that's all we have for this unit on this level, the 4-bedroom double-story penthouse. And I'll see you in the next one.